We already solved this problem, but the method was heavy. Let me show you a cleaner way, and it takes less than a minute. Instead of solving by y, I'm going to split 8 into two equal parts, 4 and 4. Why? Because symmetries create control. Then rewrite 3x equal to 4 plus t and 2y equal to 4 minus t. Now LM, you still get 8. Multiply both equations. 3x times 2y become 6xy equal to quantity 4 plus t multiplies quantity 4 minus t. The right side of equation is a difference of square, 16 minus t squared. Clean, symmetric, powerful. So xy equal bracket 16 minus t squared bracket divided by 6. Now, here's the key. T squared is always non-negative. Always. So, the largest volume happens when t equal to 0. When t is 0, 3x equal to 4 and 2y equal to 4. So x equal to 3 over 4, y equal to 2. Perfect balance. This trick works because we force symmetry. Whenever you see a linear constraint, by splitting it into two equal parts, that transforms a messy substitutions problem into a perfect square structure. And yes, this works in general too. I will show you next time.